What are you waiting for? It's the Bee Likes to Watch Sharpshooter Challenge. I thought it'd be cool to take the challenge from Bee Likes to Watch. He has a challenge going here that I just recently tuned into, and it's a sharpshooter challenge this time. And the goal is to shoot from 7 yards, 21 feet. And I've got his target that I downloaded from him. And the goal is to shoot 5 shots right hand, strong hand, in 20-second part time, and then 5 shots left hand, 20-second part time, and both are two-handed. $14.59. I only used up, I thought I was getting close to the end, so I jerked the last shot. Well, here's my score. I got, let's see, 76. Well, actually not as good as I thought I'd do, because that support hand thing was pretty rough. So I guess I qualified. I guess I'm technically a sharpshooter now, so that's kind of a good thing. And thank you very much, Bee Likes to Watch. Appreciate you hosting this challenge. I'm gonna see what I can do with this 12-inch plate using a Glock 36 at 100 yards. And I'm using the Winchester White Box 230 grain full metal jacket. Whoa! It's like the wind knocked my target over. Oh, come on. Ah, finally. Of course, somebody's gonna ask me in a comment, how come you shoot a Glock 36 at 100 yards? That's not what it was intended for. Yeah, but it's a lot of fun, right? Hey, I could be doing a lot of things. This is awesome. Shooting a Glock 36 at extended range. I don't know, maybe it's kind of like shooting a slingshot. Either way, I have a good time doing it. Anytime you take anything and stretch it to its limits, seems to make it more fun. So I really enjoyed the contest. I didn't do nearly as well as I thought I would. That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I thought, I wonder if I could get 100% on this thing. He's like, yeah, right. No. Yeah, I'm just an average shooter too, but it was fun, and it's nice to have somebody to shoot with in virtual land. So Bee Likes to Watch, thanks for hosting, and everybody else, thanks for watching my channel.